Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey up, YouTubers. Simon B here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're keeping safe out there.
Like and subscribe.
Well, as you can see, now I go slow through there because I've got in the boot pants, and I don't like water running down into my boots. So anyway, yeah, here we are on the lanes again, on the KTM. A couple of us out today, and having a ross about. There's a little bit of water about again, and I don't think we've ever been this way. We've already come the other way on here, I think. Yeah, I think we have. It's always been the opposite way. And yeah, try to concentrate and try to talk at the same time. It's hard work. Really? That's who's that in front? Oh, it's Martin, isn't it? He'll probably do a left here, I would say. Yeah, which isn't a lane really. If you come down here. But yeah, we just set off out of Ulverston, and first lane really. So I thought I'd put the camera on and see if I wheelie over the puddles, it's alright, because it's only my back wheel that goes through. And, yeah, so yeah, I should have said, if you fancy a bit of green lane action, stick around and stay tuned. Cheers, sir. Come on. Doesn't matter down here. Has it rained lately? I don't think it had. Hang up. Good lad. See? You're nice and courteous. That's all you got to do. All you got to do. Nice and courteous to everybody. Slow down for his dog and sat in the road, and everything's alright. What doing? Go for tea tonight. Cool. Hang up. What day is it? It's Sunday, isn't it? It usually is. This is my Sunday bike nowadays, as it gets a bit warmer. But saying that, it's probably 8-9 degrees this morning, and it's quite warm. Which is good. so another few weeks. But then again, it's still only February, isn't it? It's only the middle of February. Things could get worse because it's end of February, March when the weather gets a bit cack. And they keep saying that this cold spot's coming, which this cold vortex, which I don't believe anyway, but we'll soon find out. But yeah, it is quite warm today. Well, probably the warmest it's been for quite some time. Cheers, sir. Greasy rocks and all that. Doesn't get much traction. Gates. Just don't know who may be coming around one of these corners. Like I said before, nothing worse. It could be a 4x4 Land Rover, which is not pleasant really to hit. And this bit here is cars run up here because there's a caravan place just up there, so you got to be careful. Got to be careful because you just don't know. All right, come on, hell. Yeah, I'll have to beat that out, won't I? Started already driving on the opposite side of the road. Got nothing worse than around here. Absolutely serious. Fly in your helmet. Come on. This is the sort of stuff you should be training on, stuff like this. If you can ride rocks like this, you can basically ride anything. But the thing you need to be doing is creating that front wheel light, so your front basically floats over everything. Apparently, so they say. So if you squeeze your knees in, well, your legs, your bottom half of your legs down, lean back, just keep going. That's what it's all about, apparently. And yeah, that's the way to do it. So they're saying, well, that's what I've learned. I've been watching that. Been watching that Billy Bond, the way he goes up rocks and stuff, and that's what you sort of need to do. Bend your knees, get your ass nearly on the back of your seat. Apparently, anyway, I don't know. So look, we're out of the corner now. Get on film. Recording. Tree down here up on the left, which smacks me in the head every time I come past it. Somewhere here. I'm going to keep away from it today. No, it's just here, I think. Somewhere here. Somebody might have snapped it back. But yeah, I think it's the same again, isn't it? This way with I don't think we filmed this coming this way, I don't think. It's always the opposite way, isn't it? For some reason. In some of these lanes, it's easier going down them than it is coming up them. Really? Then we come over the top of Grisdale into Esthwaite, and there's Esthwaite, not Esthwaite water, Esthwaite. It is warm. Yeah, practicing on boulders and stuff like that is one of the ways to practice. I learned it off trials. I think can't remember who it was that said that. Morning. I tell you, it was. I think it was Danny Butler on TrialTube. Alright, Danny. I think it was one of yours, and it is, and I think it was that, but I heard it from somewhere, and I think it was that. And everywhere I go on Charles' bike, everything that go on here, pick the hardest route. Don't go the easy one. I don't know, we'll stop here. time is it?
Like and subscribe.